YouTube family. Today we are going to learn how to extract amino acid sequence by just using NCBI. So what is NCBI? This guy is actually a database which stands for National Center of Biotechnology Information. Alright, let's start our tutorial. First we have to write NCBI over here, Google search NCBI. That's all. The first result that pop up in the Google search is NCBI website. We have to click over it. This is the home page of NCBI. Now select the category by clicking on the drop down button. We have to select gene category because we want to extract amino acid sequence of a specific gene. Let's suppose I am going to search CEBPA gene. Just click on search button. Now here are your results. You can get the info of this gene in almost all the species like here is snail, Homo sapiens, Dino. I am interested in the sequence of Homo sapiens humans. So here is the complete information related to Homo sapiens gene CEBPA. If you want to search the reference sequence transcript, there are 4 transcripts in CEBPA. Transcript is basically it is the sequence of messenger RNA nucleotide sequence. Basically you can get the FASTA sequence of nucleotides. Okay, let's move backward. We can also get reference sequence of proteins, which is actually our main interest. By clicking on protein, we can get the amino acid sequence of CEBPA. There are different isoforms A, B, C and D. You can get the isoform of your requirement. If your residue is present in isoform A or B or C or D, you can get the FASTA sequence of any of these isoform just by clicking on this FASTA button. Like this. This is the FASTA sequence of isoform A of CEBPA gene. For further analysis, computational analysis, you could also get graphical information by clicking here. Just wait for a while, it will appear soon. Yes, it is loading. Yeah, here it is. These are the mutation in this isoform, alpha isoform A. Actually these mutations are the reported mutations. You can also find some novel mutations by running PCR products. Okay, let's move backward. We can also get the publication related, all the publications related to this gene, and just by clicking here PubMed. There are almost 521 publications related to CEBPA gene in humans. And you could review them, review all the publication here. They're all the publications. This is all about the extraction of amino acid sequence by using NCBI. That's all. In my next video, I will teach you how to extract or how to find the reported mutation in any disease, or how we can get the information about which mutation is reported in any of the disease. That's all about today. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.